Long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a terrible, bloody and greasy war.
I'm Bill, and I landed in this horrible place. They use something called money, and I don't have any. My body hurts from the crash, and I can't even get a massage. Fucking hell. The weed here is horrible. No taste, no fun. You should try our space weed. I tried socializing. They told me they have the best beer in the world. But like, what the fuck? I'm a goddamn robot. Ain't got no money, ain't got no problems. I felt useless, so fuck it, I turned myself into a kitchen mixer.